Spaghetti bolognese with lentils. Start by heating the oil in a large deep frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the onion, celery, carrot and mushrooms. Cook stirring occasionally for 5 minutes or until the mushrooms soften. Add the garlic and cook stirring for 30 seconds or until aromatic. Push the mushroom mixture to the edge of the pan and add the mince. Cook stirring with a wooden spoon to break up any lumps for 5 minutes or until the mince changes colour. Add the tomato paste and stir to combine. Next, add the lentils, oregano, tomato and stock to the mince mixture. Bring to the boil and reduce the heat to medium and simmer for 10 minutes or until the vegetables are tender and the sauce reduces and thickens. Season with salt and pepper. Meanwhile, cook the pasta in a large saucepan of boiling water until tender, then drain. Divide the pasta among serving bowls. Top with the mince mixture and serve with finely grated parmesan and basil leaves. Give your bolognese a boost with this delicious veggie-packed recipe.